this is easy way to remove the background. So we have already brought in background picture. This is the background. Okay, so this is what we're going to use as the background. So the next move is to bring in the picture which we are going to move the background. So let me put that. So this is what we have, this one. Okay, so let's simply try to duplicate this thing like this so we can bring it here. So let's try to do a little bit of resization just like that. Okay, so from there we can go direct into this. We can select object selection tool because we want to remove the background. So let's simply draw in just like this. Okay, just like that. Okay, then from there we can right click and then go direct into feather like that, and then we put that. Okay, now the next move is simply to click this small button, and then there we go. So from there we already done the incredible. So from there just like that, so we can simply move in this. You can see that. Okay, the next move, what we're gonna do next is that, let me try to put this thing here. We are going to do saturation, like color balancing and stuff. We can do that, or just just a little bit of color, just like that. So from there we can I think this is done. Our next move, because we are going to remove this thing, so let's bring in one of our pictures somewhere. We have let me go direct into background. We have this. Let's put in this. Okay, so this is one. So we are going to remove all this white place, so by simply clicking this and there. So from there we can simply remove that just like that. So we can do it like that. We put it in the middle, so we can broaden something else again also just like this. So let's try to resize it, and we can put it on the middle right here. So we go direct into our tools, and we are going to remove the background of this white place. We can remove. Then you simply do a small scaling like that. Okay, and then there you are done. So thank you for watching, guys. God bless you. Bye bye.